Richard using his strength to good effect. And that is finishing prowess. What a goal! Oh, that's unbelievable from DUJUAN Richards. He's second of the night.
All right, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much for joining again. So it's now 7 goals, 8 appearances, 2 assists. So that's basically 9 goal contribution in nine appearances. It's a good look. It's a good look in my view. Just the other day, I did a video surrounding him because he was not selected in the Chelsea squad, and I spoke about the other aspects surrounding that, and people, my word. No, I do believe that many Jamaicans don't understand the business part of football, and I won't be able to educate you guys on it because you guys don't want to be educated. So what you find out that is in football, people believe what they want to believe, and you can't tell them anything else because that's what they believe. And everyone has their allegiance, everyone has their side they pick. But so you go. Anyways, big performance from him. In a big game as well, scoring from the penalty spot. First goal was saved. That's actually a good save from the goalkeeper. Then the first shot was saved, and then now the follow through. He scored. Then he scored an absolute beauty. And big performance from the youngster, Reggae Boyz, DUJUAN Richards. Big performance, and I hope that this level of form continue, because as I said earlier, once this form continues, what you're going to find out is that they can't look past him again. They cannot look past him again. Once this type of form continues, they won't look. They're not allowed basically to look past him again. But I still stand by what I said about the video about the passport thing. I still stand by that because when I spoke with the agent, he was very, very clear, and it's something that resonates throughout the footballing community in England about culture, about brand footballers, and people don't understand these are terms which they use in the footballing world, and the average fan won't understand. The average fan won't know these things. You have many fans who know football, who are very smart, and they can articulate themselves quite well. And when they come into the comment section, yes, they do articulate themselves well, but it doesn't matter how well you articulate yourself. If you don't know the inside dealings of football, you still won't be on the right side, despite you give a good explanation, despite everything. So there's soft factors in football that many people don't consider. I'm hopeful that if the Chelsea is still suffering from an injury crisis, I hope that he still gets an opportunity to even be on the bench. Because he has been one of the best performers. And let me show you people. Let me show these people, right? Whisper was nominated for Player of the Month of April. And a lot of people have come to me and tell me, say, this a player better, that the player better, this a player better. And I never said that Whisper should be in the Chelsea first team just because I want him in the Chelsea first team. Or me I say, in better than the man in the Chelsea first team. Now I'm saying that he based off what happened, what transpired, the injury crisis that Chelsea had, they could have most definitely rewarded him because he was the most outstanding player throughout the month for the Chelsea first youth under 21. More so, I have seen other players who were actually bench, Chelsea under 21 bench, being rewarded being in the squad. No, people might say he just got there and all these type of things, but at the end of the day, remember, all of us said that, and these are the same people who said that you should reward performances and not just give someone game because they're there. You see, I mean, I understand that. Me never get that because that's a different talking point. Nevertheless, I do think that because he was performing well over the duration, the time period of the month leading up to that time period, leading up to that game, I thought that, you know what, he could have definitely got the opportunity. No, I do think there's still articles out there at this present moment stating that there's a strong chance that he might make an appearance on Sunday for Chelsea if the injury crisis do persist with Chelsea. So because he's performing well in the youth setup, I do think that the most natural thing is to reward him. Nothing wrong with that. Reward him, of course. Nothing at all wrong with that. A brace in a big game, in a big game, goals almost every week now. Almost every week now, he must score a goal. Yeah, you have to say, come on. You have to say that's big. That's really, really big. And he continues to score. And hopefully he continues to score where, as I said earlier, they can't look past him. Anyways, I'm not going to make this video long. I'm going to make it short as possible. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit subscribe button, people. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. Road people, God bless. Enjoy your side here. Big up Whisper, go and do work.